Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make the golden kashayam. It is a very perfect immunity booster drink and it is good for the cold, cough, sore throat and body pain. It is made with the simple ingredients that is easily available at home. So let's see how to do it. I'm going to prepare the kashayam for 3 people. So here I'm adding 300 ml of plain water to a vessel. Add 1-inch piece of crushed ginger to it. Then add quarter piece of a lemon which is de-seeded along with the rind. Add the peppercorns. I have taken 3 to 4 peppercorns per head. Then finally add the turmeric powder. Now we are going to boil this until the volume is reduced to half. As far as I have seen, there were certain practices and habits in every household that were followed to boost the immunity of all the family members. But as time passed on, we have either forgotten those practices or shifted our focus away from it, telling that it is outdated. But those were the legacies left by our grandmothers, and it is our duty to pass it on to our next generation so that they could lead a very healthy and prosperous life. At my home, when someone is sick, the first thing I trust is my spice box. I think it is the same with many of us. So let us try to follow the practices of our grandmothers as much as we can and help our family members to boost the immunity. Now the kashayam has started to boil. It will take another 3 to 4 minutes for it to reduce in volume. I could just feel the aroma of all the spices. Now the kashayam is ready. We can strain and use it. It is 50 ml for adults and 10 to 20 ml for kids. I am sharing the health benefits of all the spices in the description box. Please do check it. An amazing golden kashayam is ready. Please do try this drink at your home. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more recipes. Let's spread the love for food.